Now, what brought about this training? So what you're seeing on the screen right now is the actual numbers of my recent $11,000 in 1 week launch. Now, I'm going to take you through in much greater detail very soon, but you can see that overall I had, as you can see on the numbers on the screen, $11,000, $119 per customer, average cart value. There was over 100 paying members, customers that paid, and you can see the different numbers of what people took in terms of the different upsells and so on, which I'll explain what the upsells were and all of that as we progress. Now, the founder and CEO of System, Aurelien Amacker, said he personally told me that his results would not have been possible if it wasn't for System, it wasn't a System AO customer, and that is 100% true. And I'm going to take you through the whole process as well, and by the end of this training you'll see
Hey, visit the link in the description to access the full course for free limited time only. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.